The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is here, and it's raising the bar for flagship smartphones once again. Packed with a lightning-fast processor, next-gen RAM, and powerful AI features, this phone is built to deliver unmatched speed, efficiency, and multitasking power. But that's not all. Leaks about the upcoming Galaxy S27 Ultra suggest Samsung is preparing a massive camera upgrade that could change smartphone photography forever. Rocket Galaxy S26 Ultra, performance like never before. At the heart of the Galaxy S26 Ultra is a cutting-edge chipset clocked at 4.74 GHz, delivering Geekbench single-core scores above 4,000 and multi-core results nearing 13,000, a solid 15% boost over the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Samsung has also standardized 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM worldwide for the first time since the S21 Ultra, offering blazing 10.7 gigabits per second transfer speeds, a 25% jump from the previous generation. With improved cooling systems, the device maintains peak performance even under heavy use. Backhand index pointing right. What this means for you. Faster app launches and seamless multitasking. Lag-free gaming with smoother frame rates. AI-powered features for smarter voice recognition and image processing. Better battery efficiency during demanding tasks. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or managing work apps, the Galaxy S26 Ultra makes everything feel faster and smoother. Camera with flash. Looking ahead, Galaxy S27 Ultra's camera revolution. While the S26 Ultra dominates performance, early reports show that the Galaxy S27 Ultra will focus heavily on next-gen camera innovation. The biggest highlight? A 200MP Sony sensor with a massive 1/1.1-inch size, about 22% larger than the S25 Ultras. Benefits include stunning low-light photography with clearer details, enhanced dynamic range for perfectly balanced shots, more natural portrait shots with pro-level depth. But here's the twist, Samsung may remove the 3x telephoto camera and rely on advanced algorithms with the larger sensor for zoom. This move could simplify the design, but fans are debating whether software zoom can truly match the quality of optical lenses. High voltage. The future of Samsung flagships. The Galaxy S26 Ultra brings raw power, faster speeds, and smarter multitasking, while the Galaxy S27 Ultra is shaping up to redefine mobile photography with bold hardware and software changes. Samsung is clearly experimenting, and while some decisions, like the potential removal of the telephoto lens, spark debate, they highlight Samsung's drive to push boundaries and set new standards. One thing is clear, Samsung's Ultra series continues to lead the smartphone race, offering innovation that appeals to power users, gamers, and photography enthusiasts alike.